Regular hearing aid cleaning is essential for all hearing aid users. Don't waste any time wearing dirty hearing aids that are clogged up and sound weak. In this video, I'll show you how to clean an open fit hearing aid in 5 easy steps. Coming up! Hi, I'm Dr. Derek, audiologist, audio engineer, and musician with ProFitHearing.com, bringing you the best insight in today's latest hearing aids, headphones, and audio technology to improve your life. If you have concerns about your hearing, always consult with your local physician or audiologist. Today I'm talking about hearing aid cleaning for open fit hearing aids. An open fit hearing aid sits behind the ear and has a small ear tip on the end. This small tip can get clogged with wax and make the hearing aid sound weak or completely dead. Step 1. Anytime you take out your hearing aids, look at the ear tip or ear dome and make sure there's no earwax buildup. If you see earwax, take a cleaning brush and brush it off. Step 2. After the earwax is brushed off, remove the tip with your fingers. Now you can run a small wire through the tip and look at the opening to make sure it's clear. Step 3. Now take a look at the piece directly underneath the ear tip. This white piece is called a wax guard. Brush off the wax guard and check to see if it's clear of wax. The wax guard on this hearing aid is clean. However, if you still have wax down inside after brushing, the wax guard should be replaced. Your hearing healthcare provider can supply you with new wax guards. Each hearing aid manufacturer has a slightly different wax guard, so please follow their specific directions for replacement. New wax guards typically come on small plastic sticks. There's a new wax guard on one end and a removal tool for the old wax guard on the other end. Step 4. Now that everything's clean, put the ear tip back onto the hearing aid. Make sure the ear tip is pushed all the way back on and securely in place. Step 5. Gently brush the microphone covers near the top of the hearing aid and check for any clogged openings. Make sure you have a good battery in your hearing aid, close the battery door, and cup the hearing aid in your hand. The hearing aid should now start to whistle as you hold it. If not, the hearing aid may need servicing by your provider. Now, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Which tip in the video did you find most helpful? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Click or tap the screen for more hearing aid videos and check out the free ebook link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.